Since the pandemic,
we've seen a significant rise in disordered eating, which is really sad.
malnutrition can affect every system in the body.
You can get brain fog, you can have heart issues, you can have cognitions, you can have kidney disease, you can have issues with your skin, your hair, your nails, loss of periods, energy levels.
Eating disorders take different forms.
You have kind of classic anorexia, which is restriction of intake or overexercise. There's bulimia, where patients eat a large amount of food in a short period of time and then make themselves sick or compensate. There's a new one called ARFID, Avoidant Restrictive Food Intake Disorder. Those are really picky eaters or patients that had a choking episode and then stop eating.
It's rooted in body dysmorphia.
Patients either see themselves as higher weight or a larger body than what we see. Then they have an unhealthy relationship with food.
Adolescent medicine physicians like Dr. Lance Nelson work with patients to help them restore their weight and confidence.
So we provide the medical care, we provide therapy, and we also have nutritional supports for families, and trying to keep it local so families don't have to travel 2 hours to Tampa or Miami.
Helping teens heal physically and emotionally. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.